Hello Techscrew channel. Today we are going to unbox and try out the electric motorized rotating display stand. Such a device is very useful if you want to easily film an object from all sides. On Aliexpress you can find this 8-inch motorized rotating turntable base for under $20. As we can see, the packaging is as simple as it can be. The package contains a power cable that can be attached to any USB charger, and the good news is that the cable is long enough. There is also a USB power adapter included, but we usually use phone charger as they are usually close at hand. And of course, there is an electric motorized rotating base itself that should be all in the package. The stand surface is covered with matte paper. There are also some holes. You can probably put some LEDs in them. The whole body is plastic. The bottom base has little rubber feet to make it more stable. The top surface can be easily removed to insert a D-type or LR20 battery for standalone use. As with items from Aliexpress, we will see if it works first. Maybe you'll need to send it back. No, everything is okay. Spins can be switched off and runs both ways. Put back the surface. Everything spins and works. Cool. Let's put some weight on it. Nice. It turns slowly, all good. But there's a problem. If the base moves, so does the surface. It's not very stable. The ad says that the maximum weight you can put on it is 5 kilograms. So Grandpa's big ball of rum will be nice to film. Before we used the Ikea cake rotating plate, but it had to be rotated by hand and the movement was not smooth. Combining these two rotating stands will give us a large surface and a smooth movement. Genius. This is the electric rotating base for about $20 from Aliexpress. Very simple, but it does the job. You can also find more expensive rotating stands that will be larger in diameter, with variable speeds, wireless control, more load capacity and other extras, but the price of such rotating stand can go up to $300. Thanks for watching the video. If you have any questions or criticism, feel free to go to comments below the video. Bye, and don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in other videos.